Think you need a rainbow of foods to keep your eyes healthy? Think again. Some of the best nutrients for your vision come from the white foods in your diet. These foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that support eye health and protect against common vision problems. So let's dive into the top 6 white foods that will keep your peepers in prime condition. And remember, if you enjoy this read, give it a thumbs up. 1. Cauliflower, the cruciferous eye protector. Cauliflower is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. One of its standout components is sulforaphane, which protects the retinal tissues from oxidative stress and damage. This white veggie also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which support overall eye health. Pro tip: add cauliflower to your salads, soups, or roast it with a sprinkle of your favorite spices. 2. Garlic, the flavorful defender. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires. It's also great for your eyes. Rich in sulfur compounds, garlic helps produce antioxidants that are essential for maintaining the health of the lens in your eyes. It also helps to improve blood circulation, ensuring that your eyes get plenty of oxygen and nutrients. Pro tip: add minced garlic to your dishes for an extra kick of flavor and health benefits. 3. Onions, the tear-inducing healer. While onions might make you cry, they're actually doing wonders for your eye health. Onions are rich in quercetin, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from cataracts and other age-related issues. They also contain sulfur compounds that support lens health. Pro tip: incorporate onions into your meals, whether raw in salads or cooked in soups and stews. 4. Mushrooms, the versatile vision booster. Mushrooms are packed with selenium, vitamin D, and antioxidants. Selenium helps to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals, while vitamin D supports overall eye health. Certain types of mushrooms, like shiitake, are particularly high in these nutrients. Pro tip: sauté mushrooms with a bit of olive oil and garlic for a delicious side dish. 5. Potatoes, the comforting eye care. Potatoes, especially the white-fleshed varieties, are a good source of vitamin C and zinc. Vitamin C is essential for the health of the blood vessels in your eyes, and zinc helps to protect against macular degeneration and night blindness. Pro tip: enjoy baked or roasted potatoes, but be mindful of the toppings to keep them healthy. 6. Bananas, the eye-friendly snack. Bananas are technically not white on the outside, but their creamy white interior is packed with nutrients beneficial for eye health. They are rich in vitamins C and E, all of which are crucial for maintaining good vision. Bananas also contain carotenoids that the body converts to vitamin A, essential for proper eye function. Pro tip: have a banana as a quick snack or add it to your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost. There you have it, 6 white foods that are fantastic for your eyes. Adding these delicious and nutritious foods to your diet can help protect your vision and keep your eyes healthy for years to come. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your eyes will thank you, and so will we. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep your vision sharp.